Welcome to yet another installment of Farm Tech Unleashed's video series. In today's episode, we're showcasing agricultural machinery that pushes the boundaries. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. First up, we introduce the tractor spotter. The stunning purple foliage you're witnessing is identified as lavender. This botanical wonder produces an oil with delightful notes, believed to foster tranquility and well-being. To extract the oil, farmers meticulously trim the flowers along with their stems to allow for regrowth, and it appears this harvester is tailor-made for this task. Meet the Jaguar Profester. Equipped with blades on either side, it expertly shapes the shrubs into uniform rounds mirroring their natural growth pattern. Covering 4 rows at once, it seamlessly transfers the harvest into a storage tank via an automated parallel trailer. At its core lies a twin 6-engine powered by Mercedes, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency and impressive output. Undoubtedly, it remains the preferred choice for all harvesting endeavors. Unwanted plants often sprout amidst crops, hampering their growth. They compete for space, nutrients, and fertilizers, diminishing the yield. Eliminating these plants is essential, referred to as weeding. However, weeding in rice fields poses challenges as it risks damaging the crop. Fortunately, the creators of Weedman have devised a solution. This innovative machine enables seamless navigation through rice paddies, facilitating effective weed removal without harming the valuable crop. Next in line is GDM Farm, renowned for its innovative practices. Annually, vast stretches of land are blanketed with plastic mulch. This method effectively stifles weed growth, preserves water, and regulates soil temperature. However, as plants sprout, the plastic mulch requires careful puncturing to avoid harming them. Addressing this need, GDM Farm introduces EasyPlant's plastic mulch hole puncher. This device meticulously creates holes in the plastic mulch bed, streamlining the process and reducing labor hours significantly. Introducing the Agricutal Magic Dimension, a cutting-edge harvester revolutionizing the harvesting process, particularly for delicate baby leaves. This next-generation machine is equipped with advanced sensors, such as an infrared sensor, designed to accurately gauge the height of leaves. This capability empowers producers to precisely determine the crop's length. The operation is remarkably straightforward. Just a simple button press activates the sensor, positioning the cutting blade at the optimal height for harvesting at the desired length. As the harvester moves along the bed, the sensors continuously monitor the distance, processing the gathered data automatically. Furthermore, thanks to its integrated software, the Magic Dimension can discern and disregard measurements taken from weeds or uneven terrain, enhancing efficiency. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for operators of varying skill levels. With its innovative technology and ease of use, the Agricutal Magic Dimension sets a new standard in precision harvesting for tender leaves. Next on the agenda is crop care, an essential aspect of agriculture. Once crops have matured, the plastic mulch used in their cultivation must be removed from the soil. Enter Crop Care's PR2500, a groundbreaking solution that streamlines this process. This innovative machine seamlessly combines the tasks of lifting and wrapping plastic mulch into a single, efficient pass. As it rolls over the soil, it effortlessly gathers dirt, vines, and debris, neatly wrapping the plastic into manageable rolls for disposal. With 2 reels operating simultaneously from both sides, the PR2500 not only saves valuable time but also significantly boosts overall efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for modern agricultural operations. Next up, we introduce Wiltec's latest innovation, the Wiltec HYTB Crawler Tractor, tailored specifically for nursery operations. Its hydraulic system excels in accommodating a diverse array of tools for various field tasks. The tractor's sleek design, measuring just 73 centimeters wide, enables effortless maneuverability within greenhouses. Undoubtedly robust and swift, equipped with a 50 HP engine and a hydraulic power output of 67.5 liters per minute, it ensures rapid task completion. In essence, the Wiltec HYTB epitomizes excellence, offering unparalleled efficiency and performance to meet the demands of modern agricultural operations. Next in line is Pink Innovation, renowned for its contributions to flower cultivation machinery over the years. Their latest offering, unveiled in 2019, is the DeRose Rouilleur Harvester. This innovative machine facilitates flower removal through a large mortar or conveyor belt system. The utilization of a conveyor belt presents a notable advantage: flowers are no longer subjected to damage from the mortar. Another standout feature is the four-wheel steering mechanism, enhancing maneuverability, especially during headland turns. Additionally, the rear-wheel steering can be activated either manually via a switch or through GPS technology. The ergonomic design places the operator's chair strategically for optimal visibility. Furthermore, independent hydraulic suspension for each wheel ensures smooth operation across varied terrain. Undoubtedly, the DeRose Rouilleur stands as a pinnacle achievement in flower harvesting technology, offering unparalleled performance and efficiency in the field. Next on the list is Kirby, introducing their CBD Hemp, a compact harvesting machine designed for mounting. This efficient device can swiftly cut down hemp crops at a remarkable speed of 1,800 to 2,200 stalks per hour, enabling the harvesting of up to 5 acres of land in a single day. Moreover, it seamlessly loads a follow trailer or truck during operation, significantly reducing labor expenses and making it ideal for expedited harvesting processes. With adjustable conveyor and trailer heights, this versatile machine accommodates stalks of any size, ensuring a seamless harvesting experience tailored to specific crop requirements. Kirby's CBD Hemp emerges as a game-changer in the field, offering unparalleled efficiency and flexibility to meet the demands of modern hemp cultivation. Introducing Holmer, the culmination of cutting-edge innovation in agricultural machinery. Holmer proudly presents the Terrados T4, a harvester that sets new benchmarks in performance and technology. Boasting state-of-the-art features, this harvester is unlike anything seen before. With built-in GPS navigation, operators can effortlessly maneuver through fields, optimizing efficiency with intelligent turns. The unique lift system ensures unparalleled harvesting precision, while its lightweight construction prioritizes soil preservation. Stability is guaranteed in all conditions by the integrated slope sensor, while intelligent eco-power technology maximizes performance while minimizing fuel consumption. The Terrados T4 stands as a testament to Holmer's commitment to excellence, unrivaled in its capabilities. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this presentation informative and engaging. We welcome your feedback and ideas for future content. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest releases. Until next time, happy farming!